Hey guys, it's Brandon, aka Be Rich Beauty, aka your beauty best friend. And today we're picking up where we left off with the Riley Knoxx. She's gonna finish showing us what's in her bag and spill a little bit more tea on top of that. So you know what to do. Go ahead and grab that beverage and let's get this party started, Fort Knox style. So you said you also made all your costumes by hand though. How long does it take you to make these costumes? Because these aren't some just, glue together type of costumes that you got going on, girl.
Yeah, I'm really fast. However, it depends on the costume. Like the costume that I wore in the Taylor Swift video, that costume took weeks to make because it was very intricate. It was a Balmain replica, and it was like every pearl, every bead, every stone, every single thing was all hand placed, and they were all placed in the same place that Beyonce's are placed.
Wow.
So I had to blow up the video and write where it is, and we're similar size. So I knew exactly, like I can tell how big something is by like how big her hands are, or like where, like where her hands are placed. My turnaround time is very fast most of the time. Like I can make a leotard. Well, first of all, I can make a leotard in like 5 minutes. That's easy. If it's just a standard, like easy leotard.
Okay.
But when it's something intricate with a lot of detail, that may take a whole day. It may take 2 days, maybe. I don't spend too much time on them because I'm so fast at this point after 20 years.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it just depends on the costume.
That's a gift. Cheers to you for that one. Come on, Riley. That's a gift right there.
Yeah.
So what's in your bag for number 3?
Number 3 is I am obsessed with highlight. So I have to have my Anastasia Morizi. I know everyone's seen this. Everyone has this. I have to have it.
Why do you love it?
I love it so much. On my cheeks, my forehead, my like I don't know what I was doing before highlight, honestly, because I like a little bit of shimmer, a little bit of sheen, but I really don't understand how I got by with it. For a while, I didn't wear highlight at all. And this was actually one of the first highlighters I ever tried. This wasn't out that long, so I haven't been wearing highlight that long.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I was going to say, because don't you use the Juvia's Place for highlight as well?
I use that on my body. I use that on my body.
Okay.
Yeah, and I use that also on my eyes. But this has a different kind of sheen to it. This almost makes your skin look wet.
Ooh.
And I love that. And you can actually wet this. And so that I love about this is that you can just like, it gives you that wet tone. Like the glow is coming from within. It's not just so manufactured.
Can you give us a little swatch so we can see?
Yeah. Now.
That's perfect. Oh, yeah. That's pretty.
Yeah.
Well, girl, you about to make me go shopping.
I love this Anastasia. This is one of their best sellers. And it was a limited edition. Then it sold out and it came back and now it is permanent. So I'm obsessed with it. And I've been trying to get it for so long because I just had heard so many great things about it. And then I got it and I was like, why wasn't I wearing highlight before? This is my highlight. Yeah.
So highlighter, those eyeshadows, those concealers. What's number 4?
Number 4. Now, I don't wear mascara on my top lashes because I wear lashes. I wear false lashes, but I always wear mascara on my bottom lashes. And this mascara, it's by L'Oreal. It's the Voluminous Mascara, and it's actually a burgundy shade, like a burgundy purple color.
Ooh, okay.
And it's really good for warm colored eyes, whether your eyes are brown or green. It really brings out that green in the eye. So I always wear this on the bottom of just on the bottom alone. I don't know if you can see that I have it on, but yeah, it's right there.
Oh yeah, I can't see that. I thought it was actually eyeliner.
No.
That's a cute little tip.
Yeah. I love this mascara so much. It just really gives your eye a pop. And even when I'm wearing, like, if I'm not wearing purple, I always wear this. Even if I'm wearing warmer shades, smoky eye, no matter what colors I have on, I always have this on because it really just brings out the color in your eye.
And what you can do from an artistry standpoint, first of all, I love a good colored mascara. I typically, if I can get my hand on a nice blue, I'll do blue on myself. But I love that burgundy tip because you can do that on the bottom and sneak your black eyeliner underneath, and you get that contrast. And I do that. Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, I still do my eyeshadow underneath, but then I go back and I pop this on right on the bottom lashes.
Oh, that's such a yummy combination. I have to take another sip for that one.
Mm-hmm.
I think if my math is correct, it brings us to number 5. What's number 5?
Number 5 is I always have to have a pinky brown lip gloss or lipstick or lip balm. I cannot wear lip glosses on stage So I always wear a a cream lipstick or a matte lipstick. The reason I can't wear glosses on stage is because it sticks to the hair.
Yeah.
So I wear this the KKW by Kylie Jenner.
Okay.
And I mix these two colors together. So I really kind of think of them as one, but it's like a pinky brown. I have way too many pinky browns, but this is my favorite. I'm obsessed with anything that's got like a pink mauve, like brown thing to it because it just like, it's my good everyday. But I don't wear strong lip colors on stage or off stage. Like if I do, it's normally like that.
Anyway. So if you're doing the impersonation, you know, it makes sense.
Like the microphone, that's probably the only thing that I really retouch. When I have those 2 minutes when they're stripping me out of the costumes, is the lipstick, is like a little bit of powder or like the towel, and then the lipstick, and it's just sort of like I don't have to worry about whether this look is perfectly placed. You know what I mean? Like
Right.
what I would with a red lipstick or a deeper shade.
I love that. What are the names, just in case people want to like add it to the
Okay, absolutely. So it is the Kylie Jenner brand, but it's the collab she did with her sister Kim, the KKW. One of them, the darker one, is called Twinning.
Okay.
Twinning. And then Kimmy is the lighter one, which is Kim's
Nice.
name.
20 years performing as Beyonce. What is your all-time favorite performance that you love to do?
I get asked that question a lot. And it's always whatever song the audience is going to sing along with, which is because Beyonce, it's pretty much every song people sing along to.
Right.
But I start my concert usually with Formation because it's just that hard hitting song, and the choreography for that is my favorite. So that's probably my favorite to perform. I wouldn't say it's my favorite song. I do love the song, but it is my favorite to perform because it's just so hard hitting and the choreography is just iconic, but also it's just super fierce. And the dancers, we all look like an army of women on the stage. There's so many of us, and it's just totally in sync and literally in formation. So that's probably my favorite.
It's such a bossy type of a performance. Like you when you see it, when you hear the music and you start seeing that first head nod, you know what it's going to be. It's going to give you all of that strength, and I love that performance. Period.
It sets the tone for my concert, which is why I start off with that. And I've got the big hat, so it's kind of the reveal, you know? Yeah.
Now, final question. Have you ever met the Queen?
I have.
Really?
I have. I've met her 3 times.
Wow. What was that like the first? Because I haven't met her yet. That's like on my vision board. One day I'm going to meet Beyonce. What is that like to be in the presence of Queen Bee?
You know, so the first 2 times I met her were like, the first time was Destiny's Child. The second time was backstage at her concert. And the third time was a private meeting. And it was, you can feel her energy. She's the sweetest, nicest person. But you can't help but think of like you're in the presence of greatness. Like this woman is incredible. Yeah, absolutely.
I think you just dropped, first time Destiny Child, second time backstage, third time private meeting. But I just love that you just dropped it so gently. Private meeting.
Well, you know what? By the third time, she knew who I was because she had watched videos that I'd done, and we had mutual friends. And so she knew what I did. So it felt good to have the blessing of the person that I performed. Because could you imagine me meeting the person that I impersonate and she hated it?
That was going to be my next question. Does she watch your performances? Does she love them? Does she like say, keep it up, sis?
Yeah, she loved them. And I'd already heard before I met her years before that she watched my videos, and my mutual friend would send her videos. And I've been friends with dancers of hers before, and like people that work for her in the band. And so she had watched my videos before and thought they were really good. And I was like, oh my God, but that encouraged me to keep doing what I was doing already.
Completely. And to really continue to put your 100% all into it. That's awesome.
Yes.
Riley, thank you so much for taking this time to share with us what's in your bag and talk to us about just being so iconic as the #1 Beyonce impersonator. I started the video off by saying you were a friend in my head, and I'm like, I can't wait to like meet you once we can go back outside to play.
No, we have to.
Do you have anything planned? Like once we are released and can go back into society, what's next for you? What do you got planned?
I'm just happy. I'm excited to get back on the stage. I actually had a tour planned, and I had not even announced it yet. But I was going on tour, and I was so excited about that. And of course, that got cut off. But I cannot wait to get back on stage, and I really cannot wait to go to brunch with my friends. I'm so excited. I miss brunch so much, and I'm missing my friends. So I can't wait to do that. Yeah.
I've already said I want to see the bottom of the bottom list once all this is over.
Oh my God, absolutely. I just want to engorge myself with food as if I haven't already been doing that at home. But I want to be with my friends and just go sit in a restaurant and order food off a menu.
Absolutely.
When that was a thing.
Right. I hear you. So until then, everybody be safe. Riley, where can they find you on Instagram and YouTube?
You can find me on Instagram and YouTube, Riley Knoxx, 2 X's. Yep.
All right. So you guys, you know what to do. Like the video, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. And until next time, cheers. Love you lots. Bye.